Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm. Today in this video we will discuss about the manufacturing of tablets in the pharmaceutical industries. In this video you will learn how tablets are manufactured in the pharmaceutical industries involving various processes. We will discuss all the stages and processes involved, and we will learn that how fine powders are converted into tablets by using various equipments and machines in the pharmaceutical industries. For brief overview, basically there are three main processes involved in the tablet manufacturing. First one is the granulation, second one is the compression, and third one is the coating. So when we talk about the granulation method, there are two types of the granulation. First one is wet granulation, second one is the dry granulation. So the main question is that what is the granulation? For easy understanding, you must be familiar that in pharmaceutical industries, all the raw materials are in the form of fine powders, and we start our manufacturing process by dealing with these fine powders. And the first stage is the granulation, where we convert these fine powders into granules. What is the granulation? The process of converting fine powder particles into large agglomerates by application of pressure or by using solvent or binder solution is known as the granulation. If you want to learn all about the wet and dry granulation, the link of videos are given in the description. So wet granulation and dry granulation are two main types of the granulation. Wet granulation method is used for those products which are not degraded by the moisture and heat, and dry granulation method is used for those products which are degraded by the moisture and heat. Another method apart from dry granulation and wet granulation for tablet manufacturing is the direct compression, where we simply mix all the powders. Mean we do not convert powders into granules, we simply mix all the powders and this blend is ready for the compression. So wet granulation, dry granulation and direct compression are the first three main steps for the tablet manufacturing before the compression. How granulation stage is completed? In granulation we have various steps. Mean we talk about the wet granulation. First step is the weighing. Mean we weigh all the ingredients, then we sieve the ingredients, then we mix various types of excipients, then we add binder solution to our mixed powders. This step is kneading. Then we use FBD or trade dryers for the drying purpose. Then we do the screening or size reduction of the granules, and at the end we have the final blending, where lubrication, glidants and other excipients are mixed with the prepared granules. So in this way our wet granulation process is completed, and when we have prepared our granules we move toward the second step, which is the compression. If you want to learn the steps of dry granulation, the link of video is given in description. You can mark those videos. When we have prepared our granules, then we move toward our second stage of the tablet manufacturing, which is the compression. Mean in the first step we have converted fine powders into granules. Now we will convert these granules into solid unit mass or into the tablets. For this we use the compression process. In the tablet compression process, we fill these granules into the die cavity, then apply the pressure over these granules filled in the die cavity by using a set of punches known as upper punch, lower punch. When pressure is applied on these granules are converted into the tablet. So tablet compression process is completed into four stages. These one are the feeding, mattering, third one is the compaction, and fourth one is the ejection. If you want to learn details of these stages, the link of video is given in description. When our tablet is compressed, we move toward our next stage, which is the tablet coating. In tablet coating we apply a thin layer of polymer around these compressed tablets for various reasons. These reasons may be the taste masking, environmental protection, or to change the release pattern of the drug. So we have various types of the coating. Mean film coating, anteric coating, sugar coating and drug coating. In the coating process we load all the compressed batch into the tablet coating pan. Then we prepare a tablet coating suspension by using various solvents and excipients. When suspension is prepared, we apply this suspension by atomization over the rotated tablets by application of heat. Mean heat is used to evaporate the solvent and our excipients start to accumulate over the tablet surface to form a film. So this process continue until our required weight gain of the tablet coating excipients is achieved, and this process is known as tablet coating. So in this way we convert our powders by granulation into granules, and then these granules are converted into the tablets, and these tablets are coated to apply a thin layer of polymers around the tablets, and by using all these steps our tablet is prepared from the powder materials. So hope now you are familiar that how tablet manufacturing process is carried out in the pharmaceutical industries. If you want to learn various challenges which we have to face during the manufacturing stages, you can visit dosage form defects of this channel. So if you like the video, share to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.